Solve linear systems graphically. Question 6. Solve the given linear system graphically. 2x minus y equals to 2 and x plus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. So this is a linear system since we have two lines, right? System is the one in which we have more than one line. Linear system, okay? So we're talking about lines at present. Now, when we see what do we mean by solve a given linear system? Solve means to find point of intersection of these two lines or find a point which is common to both, right? So that is what we mean by saying solve a linear system. So let's try to figure out how to sketch this line. Now 2x minus y equals to 2, we could have written in slope-intercept form and sketched it, right? That's one way of doing it. Second is we can also find x and y-intercepts. X and y-intercept seems to be easier option, okay? Let's do that part for this. So x-intercept means what? X-intercept means a point on x-axis, right? So x-axis means y should be 0. If I put y 0, what do I get for x? So let's find x-intercept for this. X-intercept here means y equals to 0. If I put y equals to 0, I get 2x equals to 2 or x equals to 1. And therefore, x, okay, I should write x. Therefore, 1, 0 is my x-intercept. So perfect. So I got 1 point at least for the first line, which is 1, 0. So that is the x-intercept, correct? So we found x-intercept for the first line. And now let's find the y-intercept also. To find y-intercept, what should we do? We should put x equals to 0. So if I put x equals to 0, I get minus y equals to 2. Minus y equals to 2 means y equals to minus 2. And therefore, my point is 0 minus 2. 0 minus 2. So let's put 0 minus 2 as my second point. Since I have 2 points, I can at least join them over the straight line and get the graph of the required line. That will represent the given equation 2x minus y equals to 2. Now for that, I need to align them properly, okay? Because graphically, we expect a lot of errors. So at least let's do the best we can. So here is my first line, and this line is 2x minus y equals to 2. Now let's do the same thing for the second line, which is x plus 2y plus 4. Now for the second line, which is this line, now let me find the x-intercept first. So x-intercept means y equals to 0. Perfect. If I hide this y, I get x plus 4 equals to 0. So we get x plus 4 equals to 0, and therefore x equals to minus 4, and my point is minus 4, 0. Let's plot this point and see where it is, minus 4 and 0. So minus 4 is here, so that's my point, minus 4 and 0. Now let's find the y-intercept for the same line. Y-intercept is a point where x is equal to 0. Now if I put x 0, I get 2y plus 4 equals to 0. 2y plus 4 equals to 0. That means 2y equals to minus 4 and y equals to minus 4 divided by 2, which is minus 2. So minus 2. And I can write this point as 0 minus 2. So that is my y-intercept. So y-intercept 0 minus 2 means a point here, correct? Which is common. So I actually got the solution by finding my intercepts. That's good. Now that's an accurate answer, right? Since we get it both algebraically and graphically. So I can draw a neat line going through these points, and that's my line, correct? And this is my line x plus 2y plus 4. So let me write here x plus 2y plus 4 equals to 0. And the point where they intersect is 0 minus 2. So the solution is 0 minus 2, correct? So that is how we get solution of our linear system, a point where both the lines intersect. Well, there could be cases when the lines are parallel. In that case, they won't intersect at all. And there could be a case where line is overlapping, right? In that case, they intersect at each and every point. I think you should also notice one thing, and that is that these lines actually intersect at right angles. Can you show that algebraically? Let this be your exercise. Do they intersect at right angles? Figure it out, okay? Thank you.